Thank you, Peter. That was beautiful. I invite you now to let's get still and quiet for a guided meditation. Let's take a nice, long, cleansing, deep breath. And as you exhale, just let your body relax. And we're going to consciously relax the body by just sending the message to each muscle, relax and let go. And as you get better at this, you'll be able to just bring your attention to that part of your body, and your body will just relax naturally, immediately. So right now, let's consciously just bring our attention to our feet and send the thought, relax, relax. Move your awareness to your calves. Relax, relax. Relax behind your knees. Relax your thighs. Allow the pelvic area to relax, the buttocks relax. Let your abdomen and stomach relax. Become aware of your hands. Let your hands be open, your fingers relaxed. Relaxing the forearms, the biceps, and the shoulders. Relaxing the back, the upper, the middle, the lower back. Relaxing the muscles in your chest. Letting go and relaxing. I let go and I relax. Become aware of your neck, relaxing the front, the back, the sides of your neck. Move your awareness into your jaw, relaxing your jaw, your cheeks, your eyes, your nose, your ears, your lips, your tongue, your forehead, and your scalp. Letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go. Scanning your body now from the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet. And just noticing, is there still any place that's a little tight? Might want to just gently tense and release and let go and relax. And now we turn our awareness away from the body, and we begin to focus on our breathing. Just feel your breath as you breathe in, and feel the breath move through your nasal passages as you breathe out. Just observe your breathing like you're observing the waves flowing in from the ocean. Not controlling the breath, just observing it. And when your mind begins to think about other stuff, bring it back to watching the breathing. Not resisting your thoughts. Just noticing, okay, my mind's wandered, let me bring it back to the breathing. So let's do that now for about a minute. Just watch your breath flowing in and flowing out. And let's take a nice, long, deep breath now. And just be present now to whatever feelings might be inside of you. And just be present to those feelings. Or if something else draws your attention within, focus your attention there. Rest in the stillness, in the quiet. And let us affirm for ourselves, I am centered and poised in the peace of God. I am centered and poised in the peace of God. Nothing can disturb the calm peace of my soul. Together. Nothing can disturb the calm peace of my soul. Let us put those two parts again together. I am centered and poised in the peace of God. Nothing can disturb the calm peace of my soul. Let those ideas sink into your subconscious mind. I am centered and poised in the peace of God. Nothing can disturb the calm peace of my soul. And know that right now you are a radiant expression of that peace of God into the world. And that your loved ones and friends and family members are all uplifted by your consciousness of God's peace. And we see them and sense that each one is a perfect expression of God, that they are guided and protected in every way. We know and trust that each one is a spiritual being, and each one is whole and well and complete. And we remember those who have moved on to the other side of life, and we bless them on their journey, their spiritual journey, whether it's a mother, a father, a sibling, a friend, a grandparent, whoever it might be. We trust that each one is part of the eternality of life, and that their consciousness continues on in their eternal journey. And we bless them with peace and love and light. And now I invite you we're going to make our hands instruments for healing energy. I invite you to rub the palms of your hands together. And we're going to hold the palms up, and we're going to chant that sacred sound of Om 3 times, and we're going to feel the energy flowing through us to friends, to family, to all people everywhere, to the earth, to the animals, throughout the universe. Together. Peace. Amen. Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.